Yes, so once again, if you haven't seen the trailers for Pilipinas Sagrado, definitely check it out. But now, let's go into ask for all of your attention. Let's bring your attention here to the screen behind me as we will be revealing the official poster of the Pamilya Sagrado. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see the final official poster? As you can see, one thing I know about this cast is that they're so fun and full of energy. It's seryoso naman yung show. They're all fun and friends and full of energy. Kaya as you can see, we're all waiting to see the final poster. So I'm gonna give you guys a countdown. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds and we will reveal the final poster. Just in the next 10 seconds. Ready? In 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Ayan, oras lang yung countdown ko. Oh, we have 15 seconds on the clock and we will see the official poster for Pamilya Sagrado and of course the final reaction. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now, official poster ng Pamilya Sagrado. Let's have a round of applause for that reveal. Wow. So ito naman, as you can see, we have two.
The Irene commercial.
Siyempre, shoutout din sa ating production assistants, sina Ann De Leon, Irene Tugadet, Jolly Olino, Vince Villamar, and Ty Marie Azuelo.